I can't see. Hell yeah. Get that wheelie dough. Welcome to
CJ's.
FatKat's Garage.
CJ.
It's FatKat's
CJ's Garage.
It's FatKat's Garage.
CJ's Garage.
It's my channel, who cares? So what are we doing today?
Changing my shift knob, adding a pair of vice grips.
Just put fucking vice grips on it.
Right, it's like a Hirsch slap shifter. Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
You're gonna hit your passenger in the knee though.
Oh, that's okay. It felt great.
And then fifth, it's kind of tricky, but first to second though.
Okay,
Perfect.
so instead of using a hammer or anything else, what are the people using? Just get a big ass thing of vice grips
And just
stick it on and just turn it.
break it loose.
Yeah, just keep wiggling it off. It'll come right out. Why do you got toilet paper in your truck? When shit hits the fan,
When shit hits the
when
fan.
you're racing and you shit yourself.
Bro, when you gotta poo, you gotta poo.
There it is. This is how you change out a 90s fucking Ranger.
Glue.
This is 94, right?
94.
94 Ranger. That's all you had to do. Just vice grips, people. Nothing else. And toilet paper in case shit hits the fan. All right, so now I'm just going to get this out here. A little grit sandpaper and just keep at it.
Does that fit on there?
This fit on there? Oh.
Probably not. That looks pretty big.
Oh. Yeah, that's...
Okay.
I don't think you're going to need
It
that.
came with little inserts. That must be for little, like, Honda Civics or something.
Oh, okay. Yeah, get it all cleaned up with a bunch of factory 20-year-old glue on it. So, you might want to get that off.
One of my screws are protruding a little bit.
Protruding. That's not good. So what kind of shifter are you taking, putting it on?
A badass one.
Oh, yeah? Well, let me see what you got there, country boy.
Browning.
Oh, shit.
I got Browning and Real Tree. I'm a fucking redneck, bro.
Red.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, fuck. Okay. So it doesn't go any further down?
Uh-uh.
Oh, okay. Is it 3 screws?
Yeah.
All right. You sure it doesn't go farther? What is that all about?
That's it.
What was that little metal piece?
A cap.
Oh, you screw on after?
To cover the threads, yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. All right. Hmm. You know what would look better? Some electrical tape right here. No, for real, go get some electrical tape. I ain't playing.
Oh, dude, that's nice.
Go get some electrical tape.
That is nice.
Just listen to me when I tell you. All right, we're going to get electrical tape. It's called a filler. Well, it didn't show before, but that's okay. It's just metal sticking out. You don't want that. This look. Oh, look how much better that looks.
Is it good?
Oh, yeah, that's good. It's just a filler.
What happened here?
What did you do?
I don't know. Go to before.
All right, this is before here. It looks ugly, just like his smile.
Thanks.
Redneck. And then it's just going to be a filler to fill up that ugly metal. You ain't got to do it 100 times. But it helps. Look how much better that looks. Yeah. Now look at that. Oh. And when you're racing and shit hits the fan, you just gotta...
No, I had that in my truck because a few weeks ago I was sick and I was always blowing my nose.
Oh.
I'm not sick no more.
This is the second shift right here.
Yeah, that's for a 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
I replaced that with a hammer.
Yeah, it's easy.
And it's a quick detach. You just push a little button down here that I'm not going to show you. And then, oh, look, I got a hammer.
Oh, shit. Brought to you by what?
Browning.
Brought to you by Browning. When you need to look redneck.
Hey, did you like that video? Well, try these videos out. Have you seen this video yet? You have? Try that video. Oh, you've already seen that video? I don't know, replay this video. It's awesome. No, for real, watch one of these other videos. Seriously. The videos.